Hi, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we'll talk about the UART physical layer. Okay, so as for the UART is actually a protocol, a standard for a protocol, for the communication protocol. And about the physical layer, there is no such thing, physical layer of a UART, okay, actually. That means that the UART protocol itself doesn't include the voltages that need to be sent, okay? That means that we need buffers, okay? Just as I showed you right here, okay? We need buffers actually to connect between two UARTs. Of course, we can connect chip to chip. This will be, TTL or CMOS, but we want to use the RS-232. And as for the protocol here, okay, so in order to connect the UART to a 9PC COM, okay, 9-pin COM, okay, for example, we have to use the RS-232 buffer for converting the voltages to bipolar signaling, okay. That just means that if you guys want to connect between two pieces and you have a board, okay, that you have created, you will need to use something like this, okay, some buffer like this one, okay, and just connect the TX and RX of the UART that we are going to create right into a PCIe 9 connector, which is actually this connector, okay. And right here you can see these are going to be the signals. We're just going to use the RxD and the TXD, okay, pin 2 and 3, and of course we are going to use the ground, okay, and this is the way we are going to connect it, okay, to pin 3, 2 and the ground, okay. So if you are going to create your own board, if you're a board developer, okay, this is what you should use. Of course, there are many other components in the market, okay, that are converting between the serial communication of the UART to different types of communications like RS-485, okay, 422, and you can use whatever you want, okay. And actually, this is it for this lecture, and I will see you on the next lecture, and thank you.